I am initializing the endocrine architecture sequence. I am recalibrating my hormonal baseline. I am the architect of my glandular hardware. I command my testicular Leydig cells to optimize output. I am neutralizing all systemic endocrine resistance. I am clearing the pathways for peak androgenic signaling. I recognize that hormonal efficiency is the foundation of masculine structural dominance. I am triggering a total glandular optimization. I am shifting into peak androgenic mode. I am perfectly comfortable as my body directs a surge of vital signaling to my endocrine axis. My HPTA axis is becoming hyper-efficient. I am optimizing the production of my primary masculine drivers. I am hard-coding the androgenic baseline into my subconscious mind. I am moving from hormonal stagnation to a state of unstoppable glandular flow. I am the engine. I am the signal. I am the optimized. I am now calibrating the endocrine architecture sequence. I am actively optimizing my hormonal signal. I am the architect in control. I am witnessing my glandular hardware refine and strengthen. I am neutralizing feedback resistance in real time. I am observing the clear pathways for peak androgenic output. I recognize that my glandular resilience is increasing as the foundation of my masculine power. I am sustaining a total glandular optimization. I am locked into peak androgenic mode. I am perfectly comfortable as my body directs this surge of vital signals to my endocrine axis. My HPTA axis is hyper-efficient. I am feeling the optimized production of my primary drivers. I am hard-coding this androgenic baseline deeper into my subconscious mind. I am moving rapidly from hormonal stagnation to a state of unstoppable glandular flow. I am the engine. I am the signal. I am the optimized. I am accelerating the endocrine architecture sequence. I am perfecting my androgenic density. I am the architect of this power. I command my glandular systems to expand their output capacity. I am crushing all feedback loop resistance. I am forcing open pathways for maximum testosterone utilization. I recognize that my limitless glandular resilience is the engine of my physical authority. I am amplifying total testicular vitality. I am dominating through peak androgenic saturation. I am thriving as my body directs a torrent of growth signals to my vital systems. My endocrine pathways are electrified and efficient. I am surging with the optimized signal of vitality. I am etching the androgenic baseline into the core of my subconscious mind. I am exploding from hormonal average into a state of infinite physiological resilience. I am the signal. I am the power. I am the supreme architect. I am intensifying the endocrine architecture sequence. I am mandating perfect hormonal output. I am the sovereign architect. My glandular hardware is fully calibrated and structurally superior. I am erasing every trace of endocrine friction. My androgenic pathways are wide and unobstructed. I accept that high output efficiency is the core of my physical reality. I am enforcing total testicular vitality. The androgenic saturation is now unstoppable. I am transformed as my body handles this massive surge of masculine power. My HPTA pathways are hyperconductive. The signal of vitality is at maximum capacity. I am welding the androgenic baseline into my neural circuitry. I am surpassing all previous limits. My physiological resilience is absolute. I am the peak. I am the pressure. I am the supreme signal. I have finalized the endocrine architecture sequence. My hormonal delivery is now optimized. I am the architect who succeeded. My glandular hardware is resilient, efficient, and strong. I have eliminated all endocrine friction. The pathways for androgenic output are permanently clear. I accept that my master hormonal baseline is the permanent foundation of my dominance. I have secured total testicular vitality. I am living in peak androgenic mode. I am completely revitalized as my body maintains this surge of masculine power. My HPTA axis operates with hyper-efficiency. I am the embodiment of optimized glandular force. I have fused the androgenic baseline into my permanent subconscious identity. I have ascended from hormonal limitation to a state of unstoppable physiological flow. The signal is active. The glands are optimized. I am the architect. I have verified the endocrine architecture sequence. My hormonal output is now a fixed biological standard. I am the architect of a perfected hormonal axis. My biological hardware is cool, calm, and hyper-capable. Systemic endocrine resistance is now obsolete. My androgenic transport is a flawless, automated process. I recognize that my glandular superiority is now a hard-coded biological trait within my DNA. I have stabilized total testicular vitality. Peak masculine saturation is my new default state. I am internally grounded as my body effortlessly handles this massive surge of vital power. My HPTA axis is permanently upgraded. The signal of masculinity flows without conscious effort. I have sealed the androgenic baseline into my genetic expression and cellular memory. I am the master of endless vitality. My physiological stability is irreversible and absolute. The system is stable. The signal is clear. I am the architect. The sequence is complete. My internal hormonal delivery is flawless and absolute. I am the sovereign architect. My biological endocrine hardware is permanently upgraded. Glandular resistance is non-existent. My androgenic saturation is the law of my body. Testicular vitality is my nature. Extreme physical output is my guaranteed result. Systemic hormonal optimization is my baseline. Androgenic dominance is my advantage. I am the absolute master of my own biological searches. My system is balanced, potent, and supreme. The flow of masculine life force is unrestricted. I am hyper-efficient and physically dominant. The high androgenic baseline is locked into the core of my existence. I am the upgrade. My physiological power is unstoppable and eternal. I am the conductor. I am the signal. I am the titan.